sa'yo. Yung mga kababata natin, sina Bea at sila Nikki, malapit na silang mapasok sa law school. Uy! Oo.
Wow.
Grabe no?
Nina, you remember the guy that I was dating last week? Mark.
Oo. Oo,
We
si
just
Mark.
broke up. And you know what? I'm dating this guy. He's so cute. He's so athletic.
Wait, bakit parang ang bilis naman ata? Eh, mabait naman si Mark, tsaka gusto ko na nga yun para sa'yo eh.
Daddy, I've moved on already. And, you know, Mark is so boring.
Pero ikaw kaya yung nagsabi na mabait si Mark, tsaka...
Stop. You're sounding like my mom. Seriously?
Pau, kamusta naman yung pag-aaral mo dyan? Masaya naman mag-aaral dyan?
Well, you know, school is school, and you know, mom's work is really demanding. So she told me that we might move to America, and I was so excited. Like it's a new place, so new boys.
Mapapalayo ka pa pala?
Yeah, but you know, I don't care, cause like, you know, imagine if we go there and I can go shopping, and then I can go to clubs, and then it's really nice, and then there are a lot of beaches there, so I don't mind at all.
Eh, naaalala mo na nung mga bata pa tayo, mahilig tayong magtampisaw sa ilog, tapos ang saya-saya natin, tapos nagbabasaan pa nga tayo sa tuwing nandun tayo, di ba? Naaalala mo ba yung mga yun?
No.
Uy, Pau,
No.
hindi mo ba ako naririnig? Pau. Kailangan ko pala yung reading ko. Uy! Saan ba yun? No. Hindi ko makikita. No.
Hello. Hi. I'm sorry I wasn't able to answer your call last time because I was busy babysitting my brother's daughter. So, you know, I found out that she was so cute.
Ganun ba? Kasi, Pao, gusto ko lang sana ikwento sa'yo. Naalala mo ba yung huling sinabi ko sa'yo nung nagkita tayo sa ilog dati? Hindi kami ayos ng tatay ko, 'di ba? Eh, dumating siya dito. Tapos ano yan?
Let's talk about this later. Because I have this interesting story I want to tell you. And, you know, something really interesting happened last night. Like, last night, you know, James and I, we were out and then we were, you know, skateboarding. And it's so cool because he taught me how to skateboard. It's really so fun. Like, it's gonna be my new favorite sport.
Pero 'di ba nangako tayo na yung pagbibisikleta yung paborito nating sports, 'di ba? Palagi mo ako nauunahan dati eh. Nangako tayo.
That sport was like so years ago. Come on. Skateboarding is the new thing now here. So you should give it a try.
Oo, Pao, pero
You know what? This makeup is really awesome. Like, you know, my complexion? Look at it. It's really awesome, right?
kung sana yung pagmi-makeup na yan, ginawa natin sa mga manika natin dati.
I have to go. Catch you later. Bye.
bagal-bagal mo kasi. Eh, paano ba naman kasi? Lagi mo ako iniiwan, di mo ako hinihintay. Lugi kaya ako sa'yo.
Ngiti na yan. Iyakin ka talaga, no? Tulo na naman uhog mo. Ayun, no?
Di naman ako umiiyak eh.
Pikon ka talaga.
Sabi.
Ano ba? Pikon ka, no?
Eh bakit? Sino ba nauna?
Pikon ka! Pikon ka talaga.
Hey, ang highway. Madaya ka talaga.
Daya. Pikon. Daya. Bye-bye. Magkano tayo doon? Picture. Hoy! Ay! Maglakad.
How? 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 Hoy! How naman eh? Tigil mo naman magising.
Kumaingit, baka marinig ka ni Mama.
Akala ko ba maglalaro tayo? Tara na!
Ito na, sandali lang. Alam mo, tinuruto ni Itay sa amin. Sa amin ni Kuya.
Buti ka pa. Hindi ka tayo nakalaro. Ako wala.
Oo. Huwag ka na malungkot. Tara na, paliparin na natin yung mga iba. Tara!
Sige na ha.
Eh, natingnan mo yun. Nakita mo yun? Natingnan mo.
Uy, yun na. Tignan mo rin. Santaso.
Aalis na kami sa Makalawa. Sa Australia na kami maninirahan.
I'm so sorry I wasn't able to answer your call last time. I was so busy.
Ayos lang, Pao. Gusto ko lang, ito na nga yung ikukwento ko sa'yo. Sa tingin ko kasi, Sa wakas, handa na akong tanggapin ulit si Itay.
Are you serious? That's good to know. You know, my dad, he bought me this Porsche sports car, and when we tried it out with me and my friends, and then we went clubbing, there's this club, it's called Area 61, and it's really cool, because we went there, and then I met new people, and then the crowd was so amazing. Oh, wait, sorry.
Pao? Matapos yung maraming taon na hindi ako pumunta sa Paraiso, kanina pumunta ako doon. Naaalala mo pa ba to? Naaalala mo pa ba to?
Tignan mo, ang ganda! Dito! Dali! Teka lang, pagod na ako. Pag umalis ka na, hindi na mag-init na hangin. Hindi mo na mamalayan na masabay ko sa lamig ng panahon. Tandaan mo, sa pag-alis ko, iiwan ko sa'yo ang pangakong ikaw lang ang best friend ko. Sa habang buhay. Best friend? Forever and ever and